So I'm Arizaret Villamil from SS11 A12. I'm here to conduct an interview about social networking addiction. The person I'm going to interview is Kenneth Castillo.
C1. C1.
C1. So I have 8 questions for you. Just answer yes, maybe, or no. First one. You read, comment, and promote someone's blog about nothing.
No.
No.
No, 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 no.
Second question. Hashtags in your email.
No, 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 no. Ang dami.
Yeah.
No.
Is it your first in the morning? If you check
No.
your mentions, messages, retweets, live stream, or any other
Yes.
page associated with any of your social
Text
media
messages.
accounts. So yes.
Text messages.
Next question. You update your status when out with real people.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Sometimes.
You share everything.
Maybe. Sometimes.
You involve yourself in social media activities that don't involve you. Next question. Liking your own content.
No.
So that gives us
Go
two
on.
maybes. Okay, that's a social network. So that's it. Thank you.